How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today is Saturday. It is one of the first load-in days we have for the SEMA show. A lot going on. Sid and Steve actually have arrived in a town with Sid's Land Cruiser project, and we're gonna have to finish that up today, tomorrow, and Monday. We have other cars rolling in, but today I get to roll this in. If you've watched the previous content and the video at the Shelby Museum, this is my friend Cash's Ford Mustang. He is busy running an event right now over at the Wynn, so I am bringing this car in for him, and it is ridiculously low. Yeah, it's just a pebble. Right, let's get that out of there. So yeah, this is his Pikes Peak track vehicle that he uses every year. Has a lot of wear and tear, but that's part of the car's history. But yeah, pretty cool car. Gotta drive it over there. Obviously has a full wide body kit, super wide tires, running on Ford Stars, all sorts of parts. But yeah, I got to get this car into the show. I'm just waiting for Steve and Sid to get back so we can go load in the cars, and I'll check back in once we get a little close to the convention center. And if you haven't already, if you do me a huge favor, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. We still are doing the 1,000 subscriber merch giveaway. Got the merch on here. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, like, leave some comments. Also follow our social media. All the links are in the description below.
2,000 years later.
Nice gentlemen here at SEMA are checking us in. I'm just waiting for everything to go. Sid, I think, is going off to get his free Optima battery. He checks in, and there's the line. So yeah, I'll turn the camera back on whenever I get some updates.
One winner later.
Finally parked over here in the feature area. So the feature vehicles are waiting in line to load in. So here's Cash's car. I haven't sat in it before. He uses this for a Pikes Peak hill climb that he does every year. It's the cage setup. It is a auto power bolting cage. It's not the prettiest car here, but one of the most functional. This right here is hilarious. This is to stop stuff from vibrating against each other.
One pathetic sob story later.
So from the looks of it, it actually looks like we're gonna get a pretty good spot. For those of you that have never been to the SEMA show, this is the main area out in front. Ahead of us here is North Hall. This is Central Hall. This is the main entrance. So if we're parking somewhere here, that's usually a lot of good high foot traffic. So I'm really excited to get this spot for Cash. Sid is behind us by about 10-20 cars, so he should be somewhere in this vicinity also. So that's really good to hear. So yeah, this is like a prime spot. Pretty happy about that from the looks of it. I just hope we don't get parked right up against the backside of a pillar. That's my only concern, but other than that, yeah, looks good. Looks like things are coming together. See everybody setting up there. Cool, got more work to do. All right, I finally got the Mustang parked. It's right outside here in front of the small entrance to Central, where usually Lexus normally has their booth right over there somewhere, but they're in Central Hall this year. So yeah, here's Cash's Mustang. Here's some other cars parked here. They're still loading in and setting up. And Sid's truck's way over there, which I'm about to go check out. Yeah, here's a quick walk around on Cash's Mustang. Here's everything being set up still. Here with Sid getting his badge. Got my badge. Got more stuff to do back at the house. We're gonna cut through the hall and get picked up.
One pair of pants later.
This is obviously the next day. Have a lot of stuff to do. Today's gonna be the busy day. We're gonna have the guys from Rhino Rack over here finishing up some product installs on a F-150. As you can see, there's a truck back there that is Steven's truck from Mod in Japan that I helped out with. And I got to get these two cars out into the street, so I got to shuffle some cars around because I'm sure you've seen in previous videos I got to use the entire driveway to get these low cars out. So need to detail that thing and help with some Rhino Rack vehicles and eventually get to this car, but this is not the immediate need. That and all the Rhino Rack vehicles load in tomorrow, today. This loads in tomorrow, so this can get done. It's just slow progression while the other ones need to get done right away. So yeah, hopefully I can cover some of the footage for you in just a bit. The guys are on their way here. Some SEMA prep. There's Mr. Bob.
What up?
There's Steve. Didn't get footage earlier with the Rhino Rack guys. Everything was kind of chaotic, so yeah, here we are. Still prepping to load this in later today. Alright, we have the truck pretty much done. We're going to get started on the Alpha Rex headlights.
Yep.
Have our master technician Steve here while we all stand and watch. Just kidding, we're gonna work in a second.
We're kind of like Caltrans. There's 3 supervisors and just one guy doing the job.
I'm ready for my union break.
So we have the
There's no break in Chinese.
Alpha Rex headlights. These, I believe I'm the first car with them, or the second car. These are the final production samples, I guess it would call it.
Yeah, I think this was a initial prototype or a production sample of the first run of the first batch. So this is the first available one from Alpha Rex. So big shout out to Alpha Rex for helping us out and setting us up with them. It's gonna be awesome.
Yep, thank you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. It had the harness next to it. Do I need that again?
I'm gonna grab the camera.
Do you want to turn on the headlight, make sure everything works? Or
What's up?
Turn on the headlight. Okay, it works.
Hold on. The blinker go?
You turn the car on for that.
Do I want to turn the car on?
To ignition.
Flip the headlight.
Sure.
Push start on the. It's on the console. There it goes.
Put the headlights on real quick and blinkers or.
Blinker's not working?
You gotta turn the car to ignition.
Is it on accessories? Oh, because I didn't put my foot on the brake, right?
No, don't start the car.
Yeah, don't need to start it. Just here, no, it's not on.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, okay. The blinkers.
Okay.
The rear's not blinking, is it?
No, it's not blinking on the inside.
Yeah.
Here, let me see.
Throw the hazard on.
Hazards are on.
Is the rear hazarding?
Oh, I'm sorry. Rear is hazarding.
Oh, it's
So that's
supposed.
not
Oh, I'm
hazard?
sorry. It's on the bumper. That's right. The Mustang is on the bumper.
Oh.
I'll edit this out. All right, let's put this fucker right.
Actually, it looks really.
Here's how the headlights look on before the bumper goes back on. Sorry, not doing a whole lot of documentation, just trying to get it done. Thanks for putting the headlights back in the box, Steve. So all we got left to do is reassemble the front bumper and wash the car, and into SEMA it goes.
Several bad puns later.
Finished washing the Mustang and getting the headlights and the car back together. We're actually loading in the car now. I was gonna load it in tomorrow, but they're there today and the car is pretty much as done as I can get it. I mean, there's nothing else for me left to do minus some stickers, which Sid's gonna be doing on Monday night, so, or Tuesday morning. So we're good there. Yeah, just driving and yeah, I got Steven behind me with his load and everything, and we're both loading into the same haul, so we're just getting it all done together. But yeah, so far so good. I'll start filming again once I get over to the convention center. Made it over here to the convention center safely, following this gentleman here from Freeman. That's, I guess they call it a spotter. I guess that's what I call him.
So I'm going to get him in there, and then I'm going to take you down to the next door, all right?
Perfect, thank you.
Follow me.
Slow down, peasant.
There's Steven loading in for Rhino Rack. Do a full overview video of his truck later. Yes, sir. back booth. They're still setting up. I'm not going to show you the whole booth, but overall, that's how everything is right now.